We sat with Mr. Kunal Malani from HSBC to talk about what customers need to know before applying for a credit card or loan facility with a bank. Here's what he had to say. Thank you for taking time out for this interview. We really appreciate it.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you. So lately, there's been many instances of people's credit card applications and loan applications being declined. Can you share with us the reason for this?
There could be multiple reasons for it, but one of the main reasons could be exceeding your DBR. DBR stands for the debt burden ratio, which is the ratio of a person's total monthly committed payments, that is any loan or mortgage monthly installments and credit card dues, to their total monthly income. As per the Central Bank of the UAE, this ratio should not exceed 50%. If it does, there is a high chance that the credit card application or loan application would not be accepted. This ratio helps customers by ensuring that they do not borrow more than they can comfortably afford to repay. It helps customers from falling into a debt trap.
How has the Al Ittihad Credit Bureau impacted customers?
I would say positively. All big markets like the US and the UK have credit bureaus, and I'm glad the UAE has launched one. The credit bureau offers credit reports on customers, which covers many aspects like a customer's total borrowing, credit history, payment history, and a customer's credit performance. For example, let's say you like to apply for a credit card. The bank will ask the credit bureau to provide a financial report on you. This report will help the bank decide if you're above the DBR limit of 50% or below, and then accordingly process your application. This way, the bank can ensure that they only lend to customers who have the ability to repay. Sometimes when a customer's loan or card request is declined, it's in their best interest, as they may be taking on additional debt which they could find difficult to repay. At HSBC, we call this responsible lending. In the past, such information was not available to banks, but thanks to the launch of the Bureau, banks can now make more informed decisions.
Going forward, what would be a key tip for customers?
The first step to having healthy finances is to know your total monthly payments. Be conscious of your financial obligations and always pay your monthly installments on time. You could cancel all your unused credit cards because it adds to your outstanding even if you're not using it. Consolidating all your debt with one bank to make your monthly payments more manageable could also help to improve your DBR ratio. And lastly, ensure that your personal information is up to date with the banks you deal with.
Thank you once again for your time. This has been really informative.
It was my pleasure.